Ladies and gentlemen, this is Vibhor here again from Tech and Gadgets, and this is a very special video. In this video, I'm not going to tell you about any product or anything. What I'm going to tell you about is a service which I literally use for every purchase that I do nowadays. Everything that is available over here, this monitors, Sonos, my laptop, my keyboard, my mouse, everything in this studio, what you can see and what you cannot see, is actually purchased from Amazon. Now the actual reason why it is purchased from Amazon is, of course, they've got like excellent customer service and an excellent purchase experience altogether. What I really like about them is an excellent return process. So if you purchase something which you don't like, or probably you find a better price somewhere else, or any reason you are not happy with the purchase, you can return it. So I actually purchased, many of you know, I purchased this Sonos play bar. Now literally I love it, like the sound quality and everything is superb. I love this play bar. I don't want to return it, but this was available for $9.99 everywhere. Amazon, it was available for $8.45 at the time when I purchased it, which was almost, I think, 3 weeks ago. I used it since then. It was excellent, accidentally priced at that time, but now Amazon has reduced the price to $7.59 on their website itself. So definitely, like, I don't want to have a device with me which I purchased for an expensive price from Amazon itself, and Amazon is selling it now for a cheaper rate. I literally called them and I asked them, like, dude, I purchased it for $8.45. You have yourself reduced it on your website. So what's gonna happen? Are you gonna refund me and match the price? And they were like, nah, we don't have a price match kind of a policy on our website, which is a dud thing, I would say. But then what they have is an excellent return policy. So I can actually return this device to them, absolutely no question asked, and they will issue me a new device at a new price, which is what I actually wanted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna initiate a return for this, and literally, like with Amazon, your delivery is free and this return is also free. Like, I mean, how cool is that? I'm just gonna pack it, give it to the Australia Post Department. They're gonna take it back to Amazon, and Amazon is gonna refund me my complete $845. And literally, guys, you can actually initiate the return directly from your product purchase page. Just go to the product purchase page, click on replace or return the item, and from there it's going to ask you some questions, probably why do you want to return it. Just give a reason. You want a better price, you don't like the product doesn't meet the expectation, whatever you want. Just mention the comments. You go to next, and then it's going to ask you to return to a parcel point, which is going to be a nearby place, or probably to an Australian Post location. So pretty much you click yes, and it's going to ask you where you want to get your money back. As I said, like, you can get the money back in your bank account directly to your card. Once you initiate the return process, a label will be generated. You can print that label, post it on the return postage package, go to the Australia Post Department, give the product to them, and that's it. Your work is done. Once the product reaches back to the Amazon warehouse, they are just going to initiate you the refund. So I mean, it's such a simple process. Yeah.